guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Java JDK on your Windows 10 operating system. Now, if you want to check whether Java is installed on your Windows 10 operating system already, then what you can do is just you can go to the search bar and search for CMD or command remote. And once this command remote is open, you can just type this command, which is Java space hyphen version. And if this command gives you this kind of response which says Java is not recognized as an external or internal, so it says most probably the Java JDK is not installed on your operating system. In order to verifying it again, we will be searching Java C version. Let me see, Java C version. So now this will also fail as Java JDK is not installed on your operating system. So here it is, and now we'll be minimizing the window and just go to your favorite browser and search Java JDK download. And the most probably the first website which will be coming will be from the oracle.com. So we will be going to click on this link, and once the window opens, let me increase the size. Now as you can see here, at the time of making this video, Java SE 13 is the latest version. Now when I scroll down, Java SE 11 is the long-term support version, LTS version, and also we have Java SE 8U241 build also. And also in this video we are going to download and install the latest version, Java SE 13. So in order to download the Java SE 13, we'll be clicking on Java JDK download on this option. So once this page is open, you just need to scroll down a little bit, and it says Java SE development kit 13.0.2 in this version at the time of making this video. Then you can see all the operating system for which Java JDK is available now. For Windows operating system, this JDK Java Windows into 64 JDK 13.0 for Windows into 64 bin.exe will be available. So just click on this exe file, not the zip file. So click on the exe file, then I'm going to just say I receive and accept the Oracle Technology Network and Network License Agreement for this download chart. Then just click on the Java JDK 13.0.2 Windows into 64 BEXE. So now once this executable file is installed, I'm just going to minimize my browser, and here it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? And I'll say yes. And now you can see this initials, and just you can see this initial setup window, and just click on the next here. Now you can see the windows. This will be the default location where your Java JDK will be installed. So if you don't have a good reason, then just don't change it. I will recommend to just leave it as it is and just click on the next button. And now you can see all the related copy files will be just downloading, and in a few seconds you will be able to see this message which says a Java development kit 13.0.2 64-bit is successfully installed. So now I'm going to just close this window, and I go to the location where this Java is installed. So I will go to the PCC directory and then program, and then the Java directory here, and inside the Java directory there is JDK version you have installed. So I have installed Java JDK 13.0.2. so I will just click on the set an important folder. So bin folder is the important folder here where all the Java related files are installed. As you can see, java.exe and all the Java c dot, you can see all the Java related executable file are present here. So the next step is to set this bin folder as our environment variable. so that we can run all the Java related command from the command promote. So just copy this path up to the bin folder of the Java JDK and then go to your Windows icon. Just click, so just go on the Windows icon and just click on the settings, and here in the settings just click on the system option here, and you can search the environmental variable. You just need to search environmental variable, and here you need to choose this option which says add the system environment variable, and this is going to open this kind of window. So here go to the environmental variables, and here you need to set your environment variables related to Java. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on the path of the environment variables, and then I'm going to edit here, just paste your path for and edit, and then just paste the path for a Java bin folder and just click OK. And this part of C program files Java JDK 13.0.2 will slash bin, and then I'm going to just press enter, and then I'm just going to click OK, and this environment variable is set now. Also, if you want to develop with Java or Java related tools, you might also want to set your Java home environment, where so to set the Java home environment variable, what you can do is you can just click on the new option here. So we will be giving the variable name Java underscore home, and then we will giving the variable value as I will show you what variable value you have to give. So just go back to again your Java JDK, and now just Java till Java JDK, not the bin folder. So just copy till Java JDK and just copy this folder and minimize and just paste it on your Java variable value. So see the program files and then Java JDK 13.0.20. in this my case, okay, you don't need to give the bin folder path here for the Java home environment variable. I'll click OK here, and you can see this Java home environment variable is set now. So I will just click OK and then click OK, and then I will close all the windows, and I will once again open my command prompt. So if you have previously opened command prompt, just close all the command prompt which have previously opened before installing Java, and then just go to the search bar and open the new command prompt. So just type command prompt. So now open it, and then you can just check all the Java related commands one by one. So first command we are going to check is the Java space hyphen version here. So it's going to Java, then it's going to give you this kind of response. So you can see Java 13.02 here, which is our folder which we have just installed now. So and see, you can see Java Runtime Environment JRE is already installed. So now we are going to verify once again by searching Java C space hyphen version. So let me just type Java C space hyphen version here. So Java C is the command line tool using which you can compile your Java files, right? So you can see it says this error, it gives you this error, it says invalid flag. So version I have typed wrong. Yes, so I will just once again give this command again, which is the Java C version, and I'm going to give you the Java C version. So now you can see Java C is the same installation file 13.0.2, and now we will just needing the other. So now you can just say echo person